last couple of decades, there's been a really helpful development in the law where judges are looking to what's called transformativeness to evaluate whether a use is fair. So if a use is transformative, if it repurposes the original work in a way that the creator didn't intend, if it's not taking advantage of that creator's own market, if it's not just literally competing with the original work by issuing copies, then that's a lot stronger case for fair use than if not, right? And that makes the fair use thinking very easy for certain kinds of users. So critics, scholars, those folks that are taking a piece of a work and putting it in a new work that they create, they have a much easier time thinking about fair use thanks to this evolution of a transformativeness doctrine. What do you do if you're not a creator, you're not an artist making a new thing? Well, in fact, transformativeness doesn't only apply to transformative works, but transformative uses and transformative purposes. And to me, the paradigm case of that is internet search. Google copies the entire internet, right? Copies the whole thing, puts it on its own server, and then crawls it to index it, and then serves you search results. Google doesn't create a new work, right? There's not some new kind of mashup of the web authored by Google. What Google gives you instead is a service. It helps you find information. Helping you find information is a transformative purpose. It's a transformative use of all those different little web pages, right? When I put up a web page about my dog, I'm not intending to help you find anybody else's web page. I might not even be doing a very good job of helping you find my web page. Finding web pages is not what I'm doing. Google, though, is helping you find web pages. That's a whole new project, and it takes some copying to get that done. So there are transformative uses and transformative purposes that don't create new works. You don't have to be a remix artist to be a fair user. And a lot of the works that libraries, a lot of the uses rather that libraries make are going to be transformative in that same way. They're going to be taking content that was originally published to entertain or amuse, or published for one's scholarly peers, and making them available for all new different kinds of uses, and in all new different kinds of contexts. And that's how libraries can take advantage of this transformativeness reasoning.